Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kendall, Savera for Refinishing. Hey, guys, we're working we're actually working in New Jersey today, man. Yes, we do go out of town to get these wood floors done, completed. This house, it's a pretty old house. This house was built in the early 1900s, right? We did a full sanding today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, finish up. I gotta put sealer, 2 coats of finish, plus I'm gonna UV cure this floor. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what we have done so far. Okay, guys, so these are the floors. So I just did the first cut today. I'm going to clean everything up nice. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and just finish up the sanding process. Okay, and the room over here. Okay. This area had some water damage. The client didn't want me to, they didn't want to replace any of the board. So we're just gonna do the best we can to make that look nice. Okay. So this is what we're working with. All right. So tomorrow is gonna be part 2. And we're gonna get this floor looking really, really nice for another happy customer. Savera wood floor refinishing. We're not playing no games, brother. There's an area that was really, really messed up right here, man. Look how clean and beautiful that is. And I still got one more cut to go. I'm gonna finish up this job with 100 grit, right? Just filling in these corners here. Just some wood filler, filling in these corners, and we're good to go. sanding job. So once the floors are fully sanded, we apply the sealer and we apply the finishes. Once that's completed, we come back with the UV cure machine, and this makes the floor fully cured, right? No downtime. You don't have to wait, days for everything to cure. This process is great because you can put the furniture back, you can put your rugs down, and it's all water based. There's no odor. This job was completed in a 2-day time frame, and these floors are 100% ready to go once we finish this UV curing process.